Alright, first step is an optional step. We're going to use a flex pen to kind of clean up the surface mount components on the board. So shake it up a little bit, and then you can kind of just paint on here all the surface mount surfaces. Really easy. Again, not required, but it kind of helps it clean it off and then helps it adhere. Next, we're going to add some solder paste to the pins. And this whole thing you can actually do without doing the reflow method. We're just going to do it for funsies to kind of show you what it does, and personally I think it looks a lot nicer and it's a little bit easier to do. With this board you can opt out and just do it the traditional way. You'll probably have no problems doing that. Great. And then the next thing we're going to do is actually perform the pick and place. So I got some tweezers and I got some of our components. First thing I want to place is the switch. I'm going to try and push it a little bit to the edge so that the actuator is sticking out the best we can, and then make sure it's nice and flush on the board. Next, we have two 10 microfarad capacitors on either edge. They have no polarity, so no worries about which direction you place them in. And then we have a 0.1 microfarad cap. Great, and then we're going to place the voltage regulator. This guy's kind of small. It doesn't technically have a polarity, but it does have only one way of going on, and hopefully it's clear. 3 pins on one edge, 2 pins on the other. Good. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to cook this guy up. So I'm going to turn on the reflow station that we have here to 200 degrees Celsius, and then we apply our heat. Good. Cool. Let that cool down for a moment. It'll still be hot. Double check your work. So it looks like everything's soldered on there quite nicely. Cool. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to solder on the resistors.